In this example, we will see how we can select the records or gather or collect the records from a data table. So for this demonstration, I have created one workflow named filter data table records. So first of all, I have used one read range activity Excel file, and the Excel file is this one. So, and after reading the Excel sheet, I am storing this into the data table. Here what I am doing, I am selecting the specific row what I want to read from the data table and storing into one new variable. Here using for each loop, I am iterating the row data. So every time the row data will come into the item, and this item I am selecting here from item first name from the item list, and next time the last name, and so on. So let me come here to demonstrate that how this regenerate activity works. So here I have mentioned that this is the user details. The sheet name is user detail. Here you can see the sheet name is user detail, and the data it is having is serial number, first name, last name, gender, country, and age. So here we have stored this data into the Excel DT data table, and this Excel DT data table, here I am using the assign activity in which I have filtered the France country using this select from this Excel data table and storing it into the new data table, that is filtered data. So the variable is here filter data. This filter data is a row type of array. For this, here I am using the assign activity in which I am filtering the country name as France from the Excel DT data table using the select keyword. So this is the syntax: select country is equal to France. So what it will do, it will filter the only France row data and it will store into one variable. So here I have created one variable as filter data table to store whatever the data, whatever the row value it will come from using this code. So this variables would be a data row type of array variable. So here I have created one variable filter data variable with a data array type of data row, and I am storing the row value which is coming from the Excel sheet. Here I am using a loop for each loop. By using this, I am iterating the value which has come from the Excel sheet and stored into the filter data row. So here will be one row value that is filtered by this code, and it will iterate one by one cells. So for the first time it will iterate the cell value 1, cell value 2, 3, like this. So inside this for each loop, I have used a log message activity that will log whatever the we will pass here to the output panel. So I have written the code here that first name plus item. Item is this variable, this local variable, which the first time when the filter data will iterate, this will store into this item variable. From the item variable, I am selecting the first name, and since it is a row data type, so I am converting into the string by using the toString keyword. After that, the divided new line is breaking the line. The same code I have used here. Last name item dot last name is equal last name, and then after toString to convert into the string. I have changed the line and selected the country. That's it. So let's run the workflow and see what are the output. So here it is. In the output pane, we can see the first name is Philip, last name Jane, country France. So how this data is coming is just because of this code. We have filtered here first name, last name, and country. If we will add some more code to extract the data like serial number and age and date, then it will also filter it and show it here. So that's how we can filter the data from the data table.